Malan Barkır'ın means the houses, they loaded the houses. Barkır'ın is our verb, the means to load something, and this "ın" suffix means they loaded the houses, and this le is the vocative case. When you call out a female person, a woman, a girl, you say le. For example, when you say le means hey woman, hey girl. And çune zozanan, this is the present perfect, means they have gone to highlands. This is the plurality suffix. They loaded the houses, they went to the highlands. I'm leaving this dinaramın to you. What does it mean? You can say it in the comments. But dineli, this is here again, we have the vocative case. Here it says le means hey woman, hey girl, and din means crazy, and the last e is again the vocative case. When you call out someone, you add this e at the end. For example, you say dinele, hey crazy one, hey crazy woman, or you say, for example, delale, hey delal. You add it at the end of the name to make it a vocative case, to call out a person. Mышk means mice, the plural form of the mouse, and mar means snake, and this is the plurality. Mышku maran, mice and snakes, they ate our bodies. Gosht means meat, and our meat, here there is a reference to the flesh of the body. So this is what it means. Goshteme means our meat, but here it refers to the body meat. It refers to the body. Khwaran, it means they eat. Who ate? Mышku maran, mice and snakes. And le again means hey girl, hey woman. Woman, do you know? Here again we have vocative case. Hey girl, hey beautiful one. Rand means beautiful, and this a means hey beautiful one. And bermalyamın means my lady, my wife.